Complete Guide: How to Refresh the Desktop in Windows. Is your Windows desktop not showing recent changes or appearing frozen? A quick refresh can solve many common issues. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to refresh the desktop in Windows 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. The basics of desktop refresh. Windows automatically refreshes your desktop to show new, moved, or deleted files and icons. However, sometimes a manual desktop refresh is needed to fix display issues. This can happen due to system glitches, syncing delays, or icon display problems. Knowing how to manually refresh the desktop in Windows is a valuable skill for any user. Methods to refresh the desktop. There are several ways to refresh the desktop in Windows, from simple clicks to more advanced commands. Method 1. The right-click menu. First, simply right-click an empty area on your desktop. This will open the context menu. From there, select Refresh. It's the simplest way to get the job done. Method 2. Keyboard shortcuts. If you prefer shortcuts, the F5 key is your quickest option. Simply press F5 while on the desktop to instantly refresh the screen. Alternatively, press Shift plus F10 to bring up the context menu, just like with the right-click method. Method 3. Command prompt. For more stubborn icon display issues, you can use the command prompt. Open command prompt as an administrator, then type the command ie4uinit.exe-show and press enter. This is particularly useful for fixing issues with broken icons. Method 4. Restarting Windows Explorer. If your desktop is completely unresponsive or frozen, you can restart Windows Explorer. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, find Windows Explorer, right-click it, and select Restart. This will reload your entire desktop environment. Troubleshooting common refresh issues. What if a manual refresh the desktop in Windows doesn't work? It's a sign of a deeper problem. Here's how to troubleshoot. OneDrive conflicts. If your synced files aren't appearing, try pausing and restarting the syncing feature. Icon cache corruption. If icons are missing or look blank, rebuild the icon cache using command prompt. System file corruption. Run the sfc/scannow command in an elevated command prompt to scan for and repair corrupted system files. The reasons behind auto refresh failure. Sometimes your desktop just won't refresh on its own. This can be due to several underlying factors. Cloud syncing issues. Cloud services like OneDrive can interfere with updates, especially during rapid syncing. File system latency. Slow drives or heavy system loads can delay updates. Display driver problems. Outdated or incompatible display drivers can prevent visual elements from updating properly. Third-party software. File managers or antivirus tools may block updates. The solutions we've covered can help you bypass these issues and get your desktop back on track. Learning how to refresh the desktop in Windows gives you the power to fix common display issues and ensure your screen accurately reflects recent changes. Whether you use a simple right-click or a more advanced command, you can maintain a stable and reliable desktop experience. For more information, check out our official blog post on the complete guide, How to Refresh the Desktop in Windows, linked in the description below.